All right. Well, hey, thanks for coming back and checking out part 2. This is where the fun begins. So let's go ahead and put a little bit of text on this layout. Okay. So just go ahead and say 2015. Pretty simple. And I like to change the font for this. Well, I'll use this one. It's pretty good. And just do all the regular font stuff. Let's make it a good size. And let's, as we've done before, text is just another polygon. So let's treat it like that and make it a gradient fill. And we'll do that. And for this color on this side, let's go ahead and make it something kind of honey colored. Let's see. How about 254, 91, and I don't know. This is the third. That's pretty good. That's good on that end. On this end, let's go ahead and make it a little darker. And let's just use this color. Previously determined. You can make it any color you want, of course. And we'll say okay. And that's a pretty good transition for our text anyway, right? Looks okay. Still do all the regular texty stuff here and make it a, well, let's make this a linear gradient and continuous. Lots better. And 100% down here on this size. And some of the irregular stuff, let's italicize that, even better. Okay, and so now we going from 2015 to 2022. So let's copy and make 8 copies of that very piece of text and change this back one to this bottom one 2015 and 16, and we can move those. And this is pretty simple stuff. So I'll just speed things up and make one text for every year from 2015 to 2022. And we'll go ahead and slide these up along the coastline. And now, once we do that, let's group them. Let's group them. And let's copy it one more time so we can add a title here. And we're just going to steal all that great formatting and say honeybee colony population 2015 to 2022 and center it. And that looks pretty good. Let's turn all of these off except for 2015. And now let's go to share and export. And just export this as a map. Put it in the correct folder. Something we can find later, which I sometimes have a problem with. We'll call it map 1. And now we'll go turn on 16, turn off 15. Same thing up here with the text. And do the same thing. We'll export that. And go on to 17, and so on until we have 8 maps. At this point, go out to the interwebs and find your favorite GIF maker. This happens to be one that I've used before, and it works pretty simple and pretty easy, which I like. So take all your maps that you just made and go ahead and drop them in here, and it will do its thing. Pretty easy. And you can make a nice animated map like this. This happens to be an MP4 video, but you can make videos, GIFs, or any other format that you like. So, hey, that was fun. Thanks for checking it out. Hope to see you on the next Mappy video. Bye.